Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to set up and then deploy a KuCoin AI crypto trading bot for absolutely free. So with that being said, let's be crystal clear. I am not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video is to be considered financial advice. And as far as that goes, all of my videos are for educational purposes only. At the end of the day, you need to do your own recon. So, with that all out of the way, let's dive into the weeds. And we could start over here on KuCoin. That is the exchange we will be using to deploy this AI crypto trading bot. And in fact, KuCoin does offer a wide variety of bots, including grid bots, but we're going to focus today on their AI trading bots. Now, if you're not familiar with KuCoin, we can actually jump over here to CoinGecko under exchanges, click on crypto exchanges, and you can see that KuCoin is always pretty much in the top 10. KuCoin has been around for a pretty long time. And if we scroll down, you can see they've been around since around 2017, which is about the time I started trading crypto. So again, you'll want to do your own recon and keep in mind KuCoin is a centralized exchange. The funds you send to KuCoin, actually, they hold custody of these funds. So not your keys, not your coins do apply. If for some reason something happens to KuCoin, all your money is at risk as they are the custodial holder of these funds. But if you've done your recon and you want to move forward, I'll drop a link in the description down below. And I believe if you use my link, you'll get a bit of a discount on your trading fees. Either way, once you are signed up and live with KuCoin, you will want to make a deposit in your trading account. That's the account that these bots use for their funds. Now, once you have some funds available on the exchange, you can come up here to the trade tab at the top of the screen, scroll down here to trading bot, give that a click. That will bring us over to the trading bot dashboard. And if you look over at the right hand side of the screen, that is where you'll see a long list of trading bots. We're going to scroll down to these AI bots. You can see they have an AI spot trend, AI futures trend, DualFutures AI, and then a spot grid AI plus. Not sure what that one is. Haven't taken a look at any of these AI bots, in fact. But if you want me to do a video in the future on this Spot AI Plus, drop a comment down below and let me know. And so with that being said, let's check out a couple of these bots real quick, like the AI Spot Trend, beginner friendly. Apparently a lot of people are using it, but it's good for bull markets. And we're in a bear market, so unfortunately a lot of people are probably getting wrecked over here. Then the next bot they have offered up is new, apparently, their AI futures trend, which is beginners friendly, but again, more for bull markets. We are in a bear market, so not going to be deploying one of those. The bot we are going to be deploying is this next one, and it's the DualFutures AI bot, which again, beginner friendly. However, this bot appears to perform well in volatile markets, and that is what I would say we're seeing. We're seeing more of a volatile market. If we jump over here to the Bitcoin chart, you can see there is quite a bit of volatility on this chart. We're getting activity where the price sells off, it jumps up, rolls over again, maybe sets a higher high like it does here, sells off, and right now, it's actually broken out of the pattern I had drawn. Bitcoin's up to 73,435. This is a volatile market, in my opinion. So back over here on KuCoin, DualFutures AI bot is what we want to deploy. So I just give that a click. That brings us to a leaderboard, apparently. We can copy trade other people's bots, it looks like. And I think if we sort this by profits, this XMR USDT bot is up 3,000% in just over a year, 482 days. It looks like this strategy has almost 5,000 people following it. But I'm not a fan of copy trading. I would never copy trade anyone. So what we are going to do today is create our own bot. So you see the little create button, give that a click. And then we have a couple settings that we need to configure. But first, if we click on this little question mark here, and so we land over here kind of on a page full of a ton of intel about the actual bot. Like, for instance, what is DualFutures AI? And so this DualFutures AI is a high frequency contract trading strategy capable of adapting to fluctuating market conditions. Using strategy signals, it can stay in tune with the market trends and swiftly react to trend reversals, thereby facilitating precise and flexible automated trading. So it sounds like to me that the AI is going to be monitoring market trends, and if we get any type of reversals, it will attempt to adjust accordingly. Now, as far as the proper market conditions for the DualFutures AI bot, it looks like this strategy is very suitable for handling rebound and pullback market conditions. Again, if we look over here at the Bitcoin chart, that's actually what we're seeing. We get a rebound, a pullback, a rebound, a pullback. That to me is going to be the ideal conditions for this particular strategy. And so this strategy not only trades along with market trends, but also quickly adjusts to trading strategy when the market trend reverses, achieving precise and flexible automatic trading. Now, if it's able to actually adjust according to market trends, I'll be impressed, but I'm a little skeptical. And so, in general, this strategy can take advantage of two main market conditions. One is a trending market where it trades along with the trend, and then the other is obviously the volatile market where it is supposed to respond to trend reversals to seize trading opportunities. And then, if you're wondering how do they know if this bot actually performs, it looks like they've actually conducted some extensive back testing on the strategy. And what is important to me is that a strategy outperforms a buy and hold strategy. And apparently, because this strategy is more adaptable to market fluctuations, it can achieve better results in most situations. All right, again, you're going to want to do your own recon. There is a ton of info on this page. I'm not going to read through everything. So let's jump back over here and get this bot deployed. And it's very simple. And so the first thing I really need to do is select aggressive or conservative strategy. And you can see the aggressive has higher returns but higher risk, around 45% to 350% APR, but there's been a maximum drawdown of 40%. You might not have the stomach for that, so if you select conservative, you can see steady returns, lower risk, 10 to 100% APR over the past 3 years, with a maximum drawdown of only 20%. I personally am an aggressive trader. I have a high risk tolerance, so I would choose aggressive. So now we move on to our next setting, which is investment or margin. Your margin or investment is the amount of money you are willing to put at risk. In addition to your investment or margin, you have leverage. And so I can adjust the leverage by clicking on where it says 2x. I can bump that up to, let's say, 5x. Again, it's going to depend on your risk tolerance. If you're a complete degen, you might go to 10x. So I've got 5x marked. We'll click confirm. And then again, you're going to need some ammo available to give this bot. And in this case, you can see my minimum amount I need to give the bot is 354 USDT. Now I can change that amount by lowering or raising my leverage. So again, if I go to say 10x, you'll see the minimum amount I now need to give this bot is 177. But let's dial that back down to say 4x, and now the minimum I need to give the bot is 441.60 USDT. So with that all in mind, we're going to jump back to the 5x. And now you can see I'm back at the minimum amount required to deploy this bot or this strategy is 354 USDT. So I'm just going to click on minimum. And then our last setting, which is kind of hidden down here under advanced settings, is going to be a stop loss. Now, in the Intel over here, it claims to already work with its own stop loss parameters, but it's my experience, if you don't set a stop loss up, eventually you will blow your account up. So I am going to set a stop loss, and I'm going to set it at 49%, which is really, really high, but I want to give this bot the opportunity to trade. And I came up with that 49% because it's higher than the previous max drawdown of 40%. So I want to give the bot the room to move in order to actually trade, but I don't want to get liquidated. The last thing you ever want to do is to get liquidated, so I set my stop loss at 49%. Again, you are going to have to determine your risk tolerance and what you want to do as far as these settings. All of this is my risk tolerance, and it's more than likely different than your risk tolerance. That is all the settings we have to do. So now all we need to do is click create. We get a risk disclaimer, so I acknowledge there's risk. Click confirm. Quick recap. 354 USDT will be transferred from my trading account, basically given to this bot to trade with. The pair I'm trading is BTC, USDT, perpetual contracts, both long and short, 5x. The strategy is aggressive. My stop loss is set at 49%. And if you remember, when we read through some of the intel on this bot, it performs best on BTC ETH, at least during their back testing. So we're good to go. Let's get this bot deployed. Click confirm. And so that's it. The bot's deployed. You can look under a trading algorithm. I have one bot, and that is this DualFutures AI trading bot down here at the bottom of the screen. No activity yet, obviously, because the bot's just been deployed. So I will do an update video in the future on how this bot is performing. So now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that update video or any other future videos. Also, if you found this information helpful, maybe you could do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any comments or questions, drop them down below. I do try to read all of your comments and even respond to most of them. So I think that's enough jaw-jacking for this video. At the end of the day, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See ya.